Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to use dual camera on Instagram Reel. So if you want to use double camera on your Instagram Reel, you want to use the front facing camera and you want to use the rear camera where you record yourself and then record other person at the other hand, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to use or enable dual camera on Instagram Reel, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application, click on the plus icon, then come to this navigation and then select Reel. After that, click on camera. Once you click on the camera icon, click on this drop menu. Whether the drop menu is on the right side, is on the left side, the process is the same. You see that? So click on the drop menu like this. Now go ahead and click on dual. You see dual? So go ahead and click on that. And once you hit the dual button, you should see another camera pop here, this camera. So you can drag the camera to wherever you want to drag it to. Click on it. You can also adjust the size of the dual camera like this. You see that? You can also put it in the center or drag it to the top left or top right in form of picture-in-picture video. Then once you're good, go ahead and click on the shutter button. And then you should see both camera working. You see that? So this is going to record using the front facing camera and it's going to record using the rear camera at the same time. And then once you're done, go ahead and click on the shutter button to stop. Then you can click on next. Then you see that? So you now have dual camera working on your Instagram Reel. So that is basically how to enable or use dual camera on Instagram Reel. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.